provide anywhere. And during that time, we need an encryption. We need this certificate authority implemented, which is access over the secure way. But nowadays, this ADFS, on-prem ADFS is legacy now. Legacy means it's completely implementing for the cloud-based applications onboarding now. Instead, ADFS. Now cloud-based, you have that all every ADFS, whatever the mechanism doing, everything is implemented in cloud. You might have heard about single sign-on implementation, multi-factor authentication, right? Whatever the security you are doing in a DigiCert and certificate validation of the security verifying, right? Without a verify identity. So whatever it is, ultimately, we need to know that who you are. The identity has to be provided, then only we need to allow them, right? Website to business attackers could easily impersonate and legitimate sites, right? Tracking the users and into the holding their credentials and the financial data. But now that is in, you might seen that is in multi-factor authentication. You are accessing your office network. How do you accessing the office network? How do you accessing for your office tool? Office ticketing, you have the authenticator installed in your mobile.
Yes.
You have authenticator installed, and when you log into the username and password, authenticator code will come to your mobile and you would be entering, then you are going to accessing, correct? Along with that, again, you have the one more additional they put into the MFA, multi-factor authentication. Authenticator as well as you would get for OTP in your mobile. You need to enter that mobile number, that OTP should come to your mobile number, that within the timeline you need to enter it. And best example, how we are using the banking portal. You guys are using the banking portal, your transaction banking. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Everyone using the banking portal, right?
Yeah.
So how we are using the banking portal? You need to provide the username and password. The moment you provide a password, it OTP would come to the mobile first before you log in. The OTP within the timeline you enter that, your page will be open, right? You can able transaction. Every process there will be OTP generated. I was fed up for the SBI bank for the multiple time. You reset the password, again it will be OTP. You log into the portal, your OTP would come, right? Yes or no? So
Yes.
these are all involved for the security. But when you are plan for your cloud infrastructure, you should also have this kind of mechanism. Say that. Okay, she can go ahead, log in, share the screen, and just execute the script, and I'll help you. So that's it. Anyone has any questions, feel free to ask. And you are preparing your resume. Now you become a server administrator. And no matter what kind of experience you have it, and please prepare accordingly. And I would suggest for this, learn for the cloud and PowerShell as well. That would be another weightage for your profile. I'll share the 2-3 link for interview preparation link and this document. Just remind me later, and you just go through for that. And all the best for your career and study. Okay, so you can please share your screen.
Yeah, no. Is it not visible?
No, I can see this. And now it's processing. Right. So did you power on all the domain controller?
Yes.
Everything, right? So go to the root domain controller. I just shared you that is link. Open the link there and take that entire PowerShell script, copy. Yeah, copy.
Yes.
Complete script.
Can I copy all the script?
Yes, please copy and go to your domain controller
I'm domain controller.
Yeah, you scroll down, open the search bar, PowerShell. Just type the PowerShell in search bar. Type PowerShell. You should be taking last one, ISC mode. Yeah. Okay. So you should run as administrator. Right. You can just click on the the script arrow mark. Click on the script arrow mark, right side.
I have to
Right side. Right there, and just paste this in an open space here. Right, you see this is a ready-made script, guys. You can use it and you just execute it. You would get the complete report to your report. You just okay. Now you execute. Yeah, click on that. Let's wait for process. See, this automatically fetching the information, right? You no need to have anything. So testing domain, this is automatically it is taken for your domain, right? So one by one is going to read the information, which is clabs.com is a domain, correct? So this entire script verifying network connectivity, service, FSMO, all whatever needed. Even they during interview they ask you what kind of majorly we need to look for the entire activity health check. You can tell them this all checklist. Scroll down for the script. Just slowly scroll up the script. Let him run. It would give the report. Don't worry. Okay, go up. Just scroll the script go up. Slowly script go up. Yeah. So it would give the checklist all here. It's going to validate it. Go up. Yeah. Go up. Slowly. Yeah. Here it is. These are all it is going to be validating. Right. This can be later modified later part. Just I'm going to heads up for this. This is how we need to plan for this. So either you ask the question, how preventive action we need to take, right? These are all it's available now. We need to implement everything, right?
Yeah.
Right. So it is taken automatically for child domain controller. You see this? Sorry, CHNDC, another domain controller, right? And it will give a report completely. It will tell you that is in entire active directory health check status. The script make you to entire things.
Got it.
Anyone has any question? Generic something
related to task scheduler.
You can go to the task scheduler. This kind of script, you have saved the script and you wanted to implement every day morning before you start the business office. You can schedule the task. Many things can be all the as we discussed, server health check script and active directory health check script. You can schedule the task. Click on that task scheduler library. You can create a task here. Right click there. New task, create a task. Second one, yeah. And you would be able to see the name of the task and what would be the what needs to be done and what are the actions you need to take. You are looking for the using the PowerShell and all. Give the name, any simple example, AD health check something. Okay, AD health check. And you see this when you wanted to run, you when logged in, when user is logged in, run whether user logged in or not, right? And keep the first one default and trigger. Click on the trigger. Second option, second tab, top second, yeah, trigger. So what you wanted to be trigger here. So you need to run that, the script where you have to save it. When you click on new, you should be going to get that information where you have saved the file, right? And what time you need to be scheduled. You can schedule it here every day, what time you wanted to, or multiple time, right? On a schedule, scroll down there, or you wanted to schedule a daily, select the daily, second option, top, daily, what time, every day, and the start timing you given, right? That you can date and timing, you can choose it, and daily one time, what time you wanted to schedule, you can schedule it, right? On a schedule, click OK, and timing has to be changed, and action is most important. Click on the action and what kind of actions you need to take it. When you create a task, you must specify the action. That click on new. So here it is where you wanted to be execute the script, right? The script you have saved there, you can click on the browse and you can bring here the script, and the script has to be updated here, and you need to select the action, start a program, right? So this script has to be saved if you have already saved it script. Example, if you have any one of the example, you can select it. Did you save the script?
No, I'm not saved that script. I will show them.
Yeah, that you can do it. I'll cancel it. I'll tell you that again and again. If you see the action, start a program when you wanted to run it, and you wanted to send an email after executing, display a message deprecated, send an email, and this program is already, this schedule is already been is given to the email ID. Okay, no need to select additionally. Now after execution, that email will, that script will send an email to you when you run the, when you updated the SMTP and all. Cancel it. And additionally, if separately wanted, you can give that SMTP details and to and from. Conditions, if you have anything additional conditions, you can checkbox enable between the requirement. And settings, any additional settings are needed, you can add it. So you need to test first, okay, all is working as expected, then only you can implement for the production.
Okay.
Getting?
Yes, getting. But I just have not, if any schedule got failed, how we can troubleshoot?
Yeah, you would be able to provide the scheduled task only. If it's a fail, now see the same setting. Example, you can open one of the scheduled tasks, right? It, you have given the, either you created a task what you wanted to do, and everything settings you will be provided here, right? If you see, you ask run whether user logged in or not, one condition, and trigger and action. You see this, and obviously it would give logs, and you can see the logs might be what purpose it has been failed, and you can rerun it. Obviously it will give
which logs, event logs or?
Yeah, event log you will be getting. If you see this here, go to the history.
Okay.
Right, you see this, scroll down little, if when it is run, and all information will be giving here, right? And you would be able to see this when it is going to run the next, and what, and it will give the status of this skill task is failed, right? You'd be able to get the information due to what, maybe manually stop, or that user credential get changed, right? And there are many use cases. What's happening, last week it has happened for that one of the service account we have implemented to the scheduled task is executed. That the service account was set, service account was set for the time duration, which is log on hours, right?
Right.
That was expired, and because of that, the script was stopped. And one of the, another is the last month one is the same things issue happened for that. This SQL DBA team has a scheduled task to execute their jobs. Okay, and again they put into service account only, and service account password someone got changed from their end. It was actually password never never change a password was checkbox enabled, but someone manually changed a password during weekend. The moment they change a password, this script was stopped because it keep checking for the previous password. That was happened. And you would be able to see this information: task completed, task started, and what is the status and all in history. Getting?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just see the Srikant, what is the status of the activated health check? Okay, this is running. Okay, so it's verifying automatically all the domain controller. Just go little up. What is the error is coming here? Little up, slowly, slowly. Yeah. So test domain controller, test connection. See the connection. It is one of the parameter given for the test hyphen connection cannot validate argument parameter computer name. The argument is null, empty, and provide the argument that is not null, because so the trying to check that computer name, it was not getting updated, right? That's fine. That it will give the report. What is that testing this connections? It means network connections is checking, pinging. So it was not able to read that computer name, right? It says unable to contact server. This may because of the server does not exist. It is currently down. You have powered on all the server, right? Sure, no?
Not all. I only powered on 3 domains. That's all.
3 in a single domain, huh?
No.
Okay, others you did not, huh?
No.
Because the script will read the entire forest. No, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. We need to understand this. How the script actually works. That's what is trying to reach. There is a different domain controller. It was not able to. So let's run this 3 domain controller. It will give the report. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see this. And you would be able to see the report. I think you might scroll down, just see where you have run the script. It would go to your desktop. Do you see this report summary generated here now? The HTML report should be get generated. Scroll down. Yeah, minimize it.
No, not it.
This wallpaper you set it?
Yes, yes.
Perfect, perfect. See this? Scroll down. Scroll down. You should go to the folder where it is generating the report. Click on the folder. C colon users administrator administrator. Okay, it is not generated yet. Let's complete this. We'll see that where it is. Otherwise, we need to save the script to specific location. Then we need to test it. It's processing. You see this, everything is reading automatically, right? Testing domain controller, CHNDC, testing domain controller, test lab DC1, and the test lab DC1, SGL, all the 3 domain controllers verifying. Now first, it's all processing everything, right? Now this server, okay, done, right? Now see users administrator, the report would be under the users administrator. You see this might be get report for this updated. The report should be able to see users under administrator. There might be field that one HTML file. Administrator. Not right. Okay, just save this script. Save the script to C colon. You can put this for C colon drive, open the drive. Okay, click on the file. Click on the file, save as. Where it is going? It is going document. Just open the document, just see the document. You don't see the document report generated there. Okay, give this untitled, remove the untitled, just say ad health check dot ps1. Ad health check But don't give the space. AD health check dot ps1. Okay, and put into the C drive. Scroll down. Yeah, save it here. It should be saved somewhere. That file is save it. Okay, save it somewhere. Right now executed once again. Let's see where it is going to generate it. Okay, this should be C colon W share AD health check. And earlier that file should be saved into the users administrator. Users administrator. Just scroll down where it is saved. Is slowly scroll down. Okay, AD health check report file. Scroll down. 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 Okay, script. Wait. I think it should generate now. Let's check if the file is generated or not in the file. Okay, now it is giving you this file, right?
This is script one.
Okay,
My images.
the earlier one you put it. Okay,
Right.
wait. Go up, scroll back. This is for the different image you put it. Okay, it should be get report here. C drive. Go to C drive. It should be somewhere where it was download. Click on the download. It might be download. Not there. C colon program files. Where it is saving that report. Users. Let it run for this once again. Let's see where it's going to save it. Users, administrator, document. It was not there. Okay, go back. Click on the document. Contacts. Not there. Not there. Not there. Let's save this file. Okay, let's run it. Let's see. Maybe it would be saving into the C drive where you have saved it. Okay, let me read the script in my side. Keep running for this. This script saving here. That HTML report should come here. Report file name. Where is the report file name? Report file name. Where is the path report file name? Report file name, time, date. Where is the path for the report file time? Function. the variable called report file name. All domain controller. Report dollar report file name. Send an email. These two variables are there. Report file name dollar HTML report. Report file. It's one common file
Import
should
line
be.
option.
Just you can execute that. Okay, let's complete it in our script and then you can read that. Okay, um, let's complete this. Open this another page, another Control T, Control N. Maybe it's dollar report file. Type there dollar report file. It's coming or not? Dollar. Press tab. No, it is not. Okay, let's wait for that. Let's execute this. That's little more modified.